What's up, everybody? It's XX Fox. I hear something weird in my basement. I'm gonna show you where my basement door is. But promise, don't get scared. And this is not fake either. I heard something. I went down and there was something there. I don't know. This is not a joke. I'm being serious. But there is something in that basement. I'm afraid to go down there. Everything shut up. This is not a joke or a prank or nothing. This is real. So I'm gonna show you my basement door now. Promise, don't get scared. But here's my basement door. We have that, so something. Here's something. So yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe, double up, watching part 2. What happens next? Okay, make sure to turn on the notification, give this a like, cause I'm not going in that basement. Part 2 maybe, but I'm not sure. Make sure to subscribe, double up, thanks for watching.